So according to the big YouTubers, one of their secrets to their successful YouTube channel is having a unique core message. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the template or the structure that I follow for me to be able to craft my own unique core message. So if you're like me, you are over 40, you are busy with work, you're busy with family, you have so many other priorities, but you still have that dream of building your own YouTube channel. So here's the template. So I help blank. Blank is your audience. Achieve blank. So the goal, your result, your future vision, by using blank, the method, the strategies that you will be sharing. So for me, I help aspiring 40-year-old beginners, busy with work, busy with family, build their own YouTube channel using the 2-2-2 method. So for me, since I am in that place wherein I'm also aspiring to become a YouTuber or to start my own YouTube channel, and right now the situation is I have a family, I have a work, I'm busy with other priorities, but I have some time that I could allocate from my week to build my YouTube channel, to record and to shoot. And so that's the goal, right? To build a YouTube channel using the 2-2-2 method. So what's the 2-2-2 method? So for me, I have a total of 6 hours so that I could allocate from my week. So the first 2 hours, I do the scripting. The second 2 hours, I do the recording. And then the last 2 hours, I do the editing. So that gives me like a, guide. 2 hours for scripting, 2 hours for recording, 2 hours for editing. But, actually, it doesn't have to be like exactly 2 hours. Sometimes I finished less than 2 hours, or sometimes I needed like more than 2 hours. So, but I use that structure, I use that guide, at least for me to have a, like a direction, for me to have that, clarity for every part of the video that I am doing. Okay, so that is the purpose of your unique core message, guys. So you will have clarity. You will have clarity in what message you're going to talk about in your videos, and also not just you but also your viewers. They would know what value are you going to be providing to them, through your videos. And since, of course, they know that they can rely on you with that topic or with that question, so they will follow you, right? They will continue watching your video. So with clarity, that gives you more viewers, of course, because they know what value you're going to be providing to them, and they know that you will be giving them the answers to their challenges, obstacles, and questions, right? So that is the power of your unique core message. And also they say that it doesn't have to be perfect right away. So, but as long as you continue doing it, as long as you have, as long as you practice, it will evolve. It will evolve until such time that you will feel that that is exactly what you want to talk about, right? You start with your draft, and then you improve, and then you improve again, record your videos, and then one day you'll be satisfied. One day you'll be saying, oh, this is exactly what I wanted to talk about. And then you'll feel that success, that fulfillment and happiness and joy, that this is the topic that you really wanted to talk about. All right, so I hope this video helps you. And again, for us beginners, it's about progress, not perfection. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you, and have a good day.